Neuralign is a game-based intervention that creates new neural networks in the reading centers of the brain. Neuralign was developed based on years of research and fieldwork to leverage the principles of accelerated neuroplasticity. So what exactly is neuroplasticity? And how does Neuralign use our understanding of this science to build better readers? Let's find out. Neuroplasticity is defined as the ability of neural networks in the brain to change through growth and reorganization. Neurons are electrically excitable cells that process and transmit information by electrical or chemical signaling. Chemical signaling occurs via synapses, specialized connections with other cells. Neurons connect to each other to form networks. Neurons are the core components of the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral ganglia. In essence, we can think of neurons as wires in the brain that transmit information from one location to another. Every time we learn something, a connection between neurons is made to pass along the information. The more we repeat that task, the stronger the connection becomes. Every time we forget something, a connection is broken. Renowned psychologist Donald Hebb first coined the mantra, "Neurons that fire together wire together." The idea is that neurons responding to the same stimulus connect preferentially to form neuronal ensembles. Fluent reading requires multiple systems to work together with split-second timing. The word recognition timing threshold in skilled readers is about 50 milliseconds, according to Dr. Keith Rayner's research on eye movements in reading and information processing. Neuralign uses game-based technology to target the split-second timing needed to sync up the auditory, visual, vestibular triad, which is needed for fluent reading, writing, and language skills. In short, Neuralign uses a combination of motion graphics, auditory parcels, and motor skills to create a multisensory experience that stimulates the areas of the brain required for fluent reading with split-second timing. This repeated, precisely timed stimulation bonds specific neurons together to form an efficient neural reading network. I hope this helps you understand more about neuroplasticity and how Neuralign has leveraged neuroscience research to help struggling readers. We'll see you in the next module.